is Katie Esquivel, and I am a third grade student at Santa Maria Elementary.
And I am Renan Benavides, also a third grader who attends Santa Maria Elementary. We are both a part of the Trailblazing class.
This is our Google site for LISD Help Desk Kids, helping kids do tech things.
In the homepage, you'll get to see your tech support, which includes a Padlet where you communicate with us.
In the following tab, you will find an overview of the LISD reading programs. We have I Read, Exact Path, and Kids A to Z. Make sure to click on the videos to view.
In the upcoming tab, you will view the ways in which you can log into the math platforms.
The final tab includes a variety of tools to enhance learning virtually for either reading, math, or science.
In our Google site, we have included our SME tech support testimonials, as well as the platforms we use to create it.
Make sure to bookmark our Google site for updates throughout the year.